I'm going to put this on as my second transition shade. The color payoff is amazing. I've not even started blending it in. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie, and in today's video I'll be reviewing some products from Ellis Claire Cosmetics. They sent me 2 eyeshadow palettes and 1 glow up palette, a highlight palette, and this is what the highlight palette looks like. And then I have 2 eyeshadow palettes. One is a really bold eyeshadow palette, and then the other one is like a soft nude everyday type of palette that can also be beautiful to wear at night. So I'm going to be doing this eye makeup look that you see me wearing right now, and I'm also going to be reviewing this palette and telling you guys what I actually think about it. And at the end of this video you'll see my final verdict on this palette. Make sure you keep watching. Don't forget to give it a like if you end up liking it, and also share and subscribe. Click the notification bell as well so you get notifications whenever I post up a new video. Let's get right into it. Now let's see what's inside, because I've not opened these palettes before. I'll be doing them here for the first time. So I'm going to be swatching these products, but I'm going to start in the order that I'll be using them. This is what the highlight palette looks like. It has 4 shades inside of it, and as you guys can see there's a nylon to cover it. I'm going to do this last because obviously I've not done my highlights yet. Let's move on to the eyeshadow palette. I'm actually excited because I've not done my eyes, as you guys can see. So I'm going to start with Stargirl. Stargirl looks like this. Ooh, oh my days guys, these colors are so pretty. So this is what Stargirl looks like. I'm loving the bold colors that are in this palette, and I can't wait to actually try this palette out and see what they look like. It looks absolutely gorgeous from the palette itself, and I love the detailing in this area. Sweet. Now let's move on to the next one. This one is called Birthday Suit, and this is what Birthday Suit looks like. Wow guys, this is a gorgeous neutral tone palette, and it has a deep tone as well here, so you can actually do like nude eyes and then still do smoky eyes from the same palette. This is actually amazing. I love that it has 2 dark colors here, the brown and the black color. So I'm going to swatch both palettes and show you guys what they look like swatched before I start digging in. So let's start with the neutral tone palette, and I'm going to start with the shade Nude. This is what Nude looks like, and I'm going to move on to Lemonade. That's Lemonade. The next one is Citrus. That is Citrus. The next one is Chestnut. This is Chestnut. It actually doesn't pay off well at the back of my hand. The next one is Roulette. This is Roulette. Guys, this palette is gorgeous. The next one is Brownie. This is a matte shade, and that is Brownie right here. The next one is Sunny's. This is Sunny. Sunny is a gorgeous creamy shade. Sugar Coated is the next one. This is what Sugar Coated looks like. The last one in this palette is called Deep Secret, and that is that dark, gorgeous matte color. Moving on to Stargirl, I'm going to start with the first shade called Luscious. This is a peachy red color. It's like really, really sweet. The next one is called Green Springs, and this is a shimmery shade. The next one is called Ice Pop. This is like a light wine shade. The next one is called Real Gar, and this is a teal color. Ooh, this is a nice green, a really nice green. The next shade is called Island Girl, and this is a pure yellow gold shade. As you can see, the next one is called Garden Gates. And Garden Gates is a matte blue shade. That is Garden Gates. The next one is called Grape Soda, and Grape Soda is a purple shimmer color. The next one is called Cherry Pie, and Cherry Pie is a nice wine red color. That is Cherry Pie. The next one is called Dark Berry, and Dark Berry is a deep purple shade. This is what Dark Berry looks like, and that's it for this palette. Guys, I'm actually spoiled for choice. I don't know what to go with first. I don't know which color to go with first, but I'm definitely going to be dipping into both palettes because they look amazing. So I'm going to go in with, before I even go in, let me just read out what it says about the both palettes. For Stargirl, it says it consists of baked eyeshadows and matte pressed powder eyeshadow, matched effortlessly with a range of finishes and textures to define your look from daytime to nighttime, which I actually think is correct. And it says the same thing in the birthday suit palette as well. And yeah, let's get right into this. First, I'm going to take a big blending brush, and this one is from Evita Joseph. It's the Fluffy Blender, and I'm going to go in with this color right here. This is going to serve as my first transition color. From the Stargirl palette, which is the one that has all the gorgeous colors, I'm going to go in with Cherry Pie, and this is this dark burgundy color, light burgundy color, well, somewhat pinkish. I'm going to put this on as my second transition shade. The color payoff is amazing. I've not even started blending it in, I've just put it on my eyes. This color is so gorgeous. Dip the brush back in and intensify the eyeshadow, but I'm going right in my crease area. Now I'm going back in with Chestnut from Birthday Suit palette, and I'm going to soften out this area. So I'm thinking of making this eye makeup look a little bit bold, so I'm going to go in with Luscious, which is this gorgeous peachy red eyeshadow from the Stargirl palette, and I'm going to tap this in this area. I want to bring back the life of the eyes. As you can see, that color is coming out so pretty. The color payoff is so amazing, guys. I love it. Like, you can actually see the colors. And I'm going to take Dark Berry, which is this dark purple, deep purple shade, and I'm tapping it in the outer V area. And I'm also bringing it around my crease and taking it inwards. I use this eyeshadow brush on purpose because I want this area to be a bit dark, and I still want the pink in the top area to show, so a smaller blending brush will be ideal to do this step. Now I'm going to go back in with the blending brush that I used for the pink shade, and I'm going to blend this area in so there are no harsh lines because I want it to look very seamless. I want the transition in that area to be as seamless as possible. So now I'm going to take this concealer, and this shade is Cool Tan. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm going to tap this in the center area. This is where my halo is going to be. Now I'm just going to blend this out a bit. You don't want to exceed your crease area, so I'm keeping this halo below my natural crease, and I'm making sure that it's as round as possible. Now that it's well blended, I'm going to go in with the shade. Guys, I'm so confused. I want to use a gold shade. I want to use one of these gold shades, but they all look so similar. I can't even think of one to use. I think I'm going to go in with Roulette. Roulette is like a really nice champagne gold. And I'm just going to tap this on. Nicely. I'm going to go back in with that tiny brush, and I'm just going to blend out the edges. Just where the shimmery shade that I just applied meets that dark purple. Now I'm going to line with the Zaron liquid liner. So I just applied my lashes off camera, and I'm actually loving the eye makeup look. It's really me. I'm going to go in now with the Maybelline Colossal Kajal liner, and I'm just going to line my the bottom of my eyes. Now I'm going to take mascara, and I'm going to apply this on my bottom lashes. Now let's move on to the highlight shade, the Glow Up palette. I honestly can't wait to try these out. But first, I'm going to swatch all 4 highlighters. So let's start with the first one. It's called Distinctive. And that is what Distinctive looks like. The next one is called Midnight. This is what Midnight looks like. The next one is called Moonlight. This is what Moonlight looks like. The next one is called Stardust. And that is what Stardust looks like. I'm definitely going to be going between Stardust and Moonlight, and they are these 2 shades down below because they are more, I believe that it will fit my skin tone better. So I'm going to go in with Moonlight first and see what it looks like on my cheek. Actually, I like it. I like what it looks like here. I'm going to tap this on my nose area and take it up to my forehead area. The rest of what is on my brush would go my chin area or my cupid's bow area. Guys, I love this highlight color. I absolutely love this highlight color. Now I'm going to move on to my lips. I'm going to go in with Honey Love. This is a nude shade. And next I'm going to go in with this lip gloss. This is a metallic lip gloss from Alice Claire Cosmetics as well. And it's called Riser. So guys, this is the finished look. This is what I was able to achieve with all of these products that was sent to me by Alice Claire Cosmetics. I love the lips as well. I feel like they coordinate really nicely. And I absolutely love the glow palette as well. You guys can see how shiny it is. I'm going to give my review now of this palette. I'll give the packaging an 8 because it's amazing. I love the fact that you can actually clean out the product if it stains the palette itself, the board, and it's a shiny palette that can just clean out when you dirty it or something. or when it's messy, it'll be easy to clean it out. And I love the fact that it's very sleek, even though it's very, very small. The pricing isn't too bad as well. The price point is amazing for what this palette actually, for what all these products actually do. I like what they look like. It's a small brand, and I think they're based in California. And yeah, color payoff of the palette, and also color payoff and product payoff of the highlight, I'll give it a 7 or 7. I'll give it a 7.5 because I love the color payoff. I actually like the fact that whatever it is that you swatch is what you get on your eyes as well. And I love the shimmery shades as well. They don't fall out. You guys saw I did my face, my entire face, before I started doing my eyes, and there was no fallout at all. Like, there was zero fallout, and I didn't have to, you know, shake my brush or get out the excess before application. I love the fact that there was no fallout in this product, from this product rather. I would definitely be going back to using these products. I feel like they're very, very handy, and they're products that I would definitely be able to carry around because they are very small. They come in really small palettes. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys loved this eye makeup look that I was able to achieve. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you comment down below and tell me what you think about these palettes and these products, and tell me if you've used them before. I want to know if you've tried them before. This is my first time actually trying out the eyeshadow palettes, and I think I'm in love already. Even the highlight palette is amazing as well. So let me know down below if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.